guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ari J, that's J-A-Y, and in today's video we are going to be doing Wetline versus Jam Battle of the Wash and Goes. So I'm going to be using this Xtreme Wetline gel on the left side of my head to do a wash and go, and then I'm going to be using this Jam gel on the right side of my head to do a wash and go. I have never used either one of these products before. I have also never had a successful wash and go, so this should be real interesting. But before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you never miss another upload. Because like I always say, I will be uploading many more videos and you don't want to miss those. Now, with that being said, let's get straight into this video. So the products I'm going to be using are this Eden Natural Coconut CoWash. This is my favorite CoWash besides the Cream of Nature CoWash, but y'all already know that. And then I'm going to go in after that with this Mielle deep conditioner, Babassu and mint. This conditioner, I deep condition my hair every week, and this is what I use. This along with that CoWash, get on it, okay? Now that I have co-washed and the deep conditioner is in my head, I'm going to let the deep conditioner sit for 15 minutes with a plastic cap on, and then I'll be back to rinse it out. Alright guys, so I went ahead and rinsed my deep conditioner out with some cold water, and this is my hair. Alright, so I'm going to start on my left side, which is the side I will be using the Wetline Xtreme gel on. And the cream I will be using for my wash and go is the Taliah Waajid curly curl cream. This is actually my husband, so I'm probably gonna owe him some after this video. Alright, so like I said before, I have never had a successful wash and go, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I think you're supposed to do for a wash and go. I'm gonna start, let's start in the back. So I'm gonna take off a small section of my hair in the back and start with that. So about that much hair. And then the rest of this side I'm going to clip back up. Alright, and then now I don't know if you start with gel or product, but I'm going to start with a little bit of product. That might be too much, but we'll see. Let's start from roots to end. Rubbing that in. This is really thick. I love it. I've never used this curly curl cream before. My husband uses this for his hair. Look at that. And that's just the cream. Wow. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with some Wetline. Like I said, I'm going to be using Wetline all on the left side of my head and Jam on the right side of my head to see who wins the wash and go battle. So right now I'm just rubbing the gel in just like I did the cream. This cream is really thick. I love that. And look. Look at those curls. Going with a little bit more cream. That cream is really, really thick. And then I'm going to go in with some more gel. This gel is also pretty thick. Yeah, this gel is like, look at that. Like it feels, it has a cream feel to it. Kinda. Alright, so now that that section is pretty curly, I like the curl it's got going on. So I'm going to go ahead, take this section and just 2-strand twist it so that I don't mess up that curl pattern as I go through the rest of my hair. And also so it's out of the way and I don't mix it in. And then just twist up the ends. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing for this entire side of my head. Y'all, look at these curls. Like, what? What is going? This is ungodly. Like, what is going on? Alright guys, so now that I am done with the wet line side of my head, I'm going to go ahead and do the jam side of my head. And already, y'all saw the curls, okay? You cannot tell me you didn't see those curls. Y'all saw them. This jam gotta put in some work if it want to compete with those curls. Once again, I'm going to split off a small piece of hair in the back and start there. So about that size. All right, so once again, I'm gonna start with the cream. And turn this way so y'all can see. I'm excited. Like, the cream by itself would probably make a really good hairstyle. Like, the definition. Oh, the definition. Excuse me. Let's see how that's looking. I'm gonna use just a little bit more cream. I'm definitely gonna have to buy my husband some more cream. Like, look at that by itself. The definition is already crazy by itself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and with this Jam Protein and Shine Gel. It says it's mega hold, so let's see. This gel, I can already tell, gives me a lot more slip to kind of go through my hair. I don't know if y'all can tell from when I was doing the wet line, but I was struggling to get through my hair with the gel and the Wetline and the curly cream, this gel is giving me a lot more slip to kind of actually work in the product. Look at these curls. This is the jam side. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all, I don't know. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I don't know. This is going to be so hard. Like, this is going to be the hardest decision of my life, choosing which one of these is better. All right, so I'm just going to do what I did with this section, go in with some cream and then go in with the gel. All right. So now that I have finished both sides of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my review on these products because this is my first time using these products. So I would like to tell you guys how I feel about them, even though my hair is still wet, so I don't know for sure how I'm really feeling. But even though this video is not about this cream, I'm gonna tell you anyway, because this cream right here is the truth. It's the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Cream. I use this because I watched other videos where people did wash and goes and they said that this product was the best for wash and goes. Luckily my husband was already using this product, so it was in the house. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to buy him more. But yeah, this product is the truth. It's super thick. So this is really good for like 4C hair, 4B hair, type 4 hair, because you know we need thicker products in our hair to actually, you know, get that moisture and penetrate our hair strands. So this product right here is the truth, at least for wash and go so far, because I haven't used it for anything else. Next, let's talk about this jam. It's called Let's Jam Protein and Shine Mega Hold. It's the red bottle. This one, first of all, it smells really good. Like this, it smells so good. I don't even know what to say. Like, as a gel, it's a gel. It's got the texture of a gel. It gives me a lot of slip with that product, because with using the curl cream, like, I was scared to run my fingers through my hair because I literally thought I was gonna tear it. Like, this felt like a mask, and like it was that thick. Now let's get into this Wetline Xtreme gel. Everybody has heard of this gel. Everybody know the hype behind this gel right here. This is my first time using it. I'm not even gonna tell y'all how much I paid for this little bitty bottle. I didn't use that much of it. I used less Wetline than I did the jam when doing my hair. The Wetline gel is really thick. Like, it's really thick. So like when I was using it with the curly curl cream, I almost couldn't run my fingers through it. Like I had to only do it like this to get those curls defined, and I couldn't like really rake my fingers through it like I wanted to. I'm going to blow dry my hair a little bit on low heat just to kind of speed up this drying process so I can finish this video today. And then I will take these down and let you guys know which gel is better for a wash and go. Alright guys, so my hair is taking forever to dry in these twists. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is take the twists down and then try to dry them that way and see if that speeds up the drying process. Even though my hair is wet, I'm still going to coat my hands in oil just because I don't want any kind of frizz to mess up the result. Okay, y'all, because first of all, the definition on both sides of my hair is outrageous. Like, look at this. This is Wetline, and this is Jam. Now, how am I supposed to choose a winner if both sides of my hair look bomb? Alright, guys, so after using Wetline on the left side of my hair and Jam on the right side of my hair, I'm going to have to give this wash and go battle to Wetline. Even though this was like really hard to to finger through my hair when I was putting it in, like the definition on this side of my hair is unmatched. And even after like profusely drying my hair, the Jam side is still like white. So yeah, this wash and go battle definitely goes to Xtreme Wetline Gel. So if y'all want to try that, what I used, I'll have all the products I used today, even going back to when I washed my hair, listed in the comment section, or no, the description box. But this is the gel I used, and this is the curl cream I used. So if y'all use these combinations to do your wash and go, post it, tag me in it, let me see it, okay? Because I want to see if your curls came out as bomb as mine. If y'all have a different opinion on which side won the wash and go battle, let me know also down below in the comment section. I'm so happy with the way this turned out, y'all, because I have never ever had a successful wash and go. Alright, guys, so that is all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I have been waiting to do this video. I was so excited to do this video, y'all. Like, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and it was something that you wanted to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.